This is our second day event of the tour. We visited Nilkanth Dham Swaminarayan Temple in Poicha, Gujarat. If you have already seen the previous part, then you know this story of ours is the continuation from where we have left in part 1. The link is shared at the bottom in case you would like to watch part 1. Excitement and eagerness was vividly seen, prevalent on the face of every student. The previous day, half of the time was spent on road, traveling and reaching to our destination. But this day was available in full. That too, we had enough rest at hotels to overcome our fatigue and tiredness. Now, 400 students are ready for another venture to a new place. This place, Nilkanth Dham, is an amazing place to visit. One must never confuse this place only as a house of worship. It offers the visitors with a number of sights. In this story, we present the time we spent in the temple and only the time that we spent in the temple. And in our next videos, we would present you the rides and games we had in the same place, Nilkanth Dham. That was beyond our expectation. The temple is magnanimous with its intricate architecture and minute details. The structure and its ambience that automatically tranquils the souls of every visitor. More than a traditional approach, this temple offers a highly developed and modern flexibilities to welcome its guests and pilgrims. Hence, you will hardly notice anyone standing in a queue with agarbattis and full chandans. Rather, it understands the new and young generations well and has created a friendly environment for all. I am sure this has made the temple the most popular one. Hence, the visit was apt to relax the minds and souls. Away from the books and classroom teaching, studies, homework, writing and instruction, a peaceful atmosphere such as this is an apt choice for the students who are restless and hyper. Oh, come on, I don't mean that our students are restless. As you can see, you know these mesmerized students here are just wandering in wonder and grasping the sight of every view they come across. This whole tour becomes meaningful with the presence of our own friends to share this experience of ecstasy and amazement instantly with them. How wonderful! More than the visit, it was a time with our own friends and companions that we all wanted so eagerly. As we moved along the stairs and corridors of the temple, there was no place left for anyone else. Far and wide, you could only see the RPS students in full swing. Moment of admiration unlimited. Just see the luminous and smiling faces and feel their souls in ecstasy with charms of every woman in company of friends. And look how happy our students are. And we also wanted to create a long-lasting memory for each of our students. And that is how this tour included several places with their distinct approach towards humanity. We also had two photographers all throughout, right from the beginning, to capture every possible event. Thus, we could be the way we would like to be. The smiles are very significant. Running around with a camera, this gave me immense pleasure to see our students with innocent smiles. It made my day blessed. Time to time live show of various events give all the update parents would long to see. And trust me, even the owner and manager of the school would be seen present as one among the students and casting live show for Facebook. It's all about we and we alone, anywhere and everywhere. This is how we made this day for ourselves. We strengthened our RPS unity, our bond of fellowship and commitment as one family, that is RPS. Long live to RPS.